In this tutorial, we're going to be finding the area using scale factor. So let's go ahead and see with this example how you can find the area using the scale factor. A shape that has its length enlarged by scale factor k has its area enlarged by k squared. So keep this in mind. If the length is enlarged by k, then the area is enlarged by k squared. This is a golden rule that you need to take note of. The example says these two rectangles are similar. Taking a closer look right here in this figure, they are two similar rectangles. In fact, one of them is inside the other. The smaller rectangle has an area of 35 centimeters squared. We're talking about the red one on the top left corner. Find the area of the larger rectangle. And so in such case, we need to be working with the scale factor k. Since we have the length right here, 28 centimeters, over the smaller length, which is 7 centimeters, 28 over 7 is equal to 4 over 1, which is 4, dividing by 7, of course. So, since we have already found the scale factor k that is responsible for the length, we can find the area of the rectangle, and that is k squared multiplied by the area of the smaller rectangle. And so that in such case would be k squared multiplied by 35 centimeters squared, which is the area of the smaller rectangle. So 4 squared multiplied by 35 is equal to 16 multiplied by 35. And that in such case would be 560 centimeters squared. And that is how you can find the area using scale factor.